Hello students, good morning everyone. Today we are going to listen about be a good speaker. Good speaker means what? When talking to person, when we give the time to speaker, then we have to answer them. Be a good speaker, lesson number 11. Some people are good speakers, some are shy, some speak easily with their friends and relatives, but become nervous in front of a big audience. What about you? Naturally, as a human beings, some are very nicely talking, but some are shy. Some people did not talk very much. Some are getting shy. Some easily speaking with friends and relatives, but become nervous in front of the big audience. Some students getting participate in speech competition, then afterwards they are getting nervous because so many peoples in front of them. That's why they are getting some fear. What about you? It is important to be able to speak well, and if you make up your mind, it is not very difficult to do so. So we practice them, then our mind's going to become peaceful. Then it is not very difficult to do so. Remember these few things when you speak. When you speak, we have to listen properly, speak clearly. Don't mumble. Mumble means sometimes we are speaking, some getting silent. Look at the persons when you talk to them. When we speaking to opposite person, we looks at the person, then we talk. You should not be too loud or too soft. When you talking with other, we did not speak loudly or softly, too fast or too slow. Sometimes we are talking too fast because they could not understand what we are talking, and slow. We sometimes speaking slowly. This is not fair. Be polite and be pleasant. Always we talking to others, we give politely and pleasantly. Give a thought to the other person's feeling and interest. When you take part in a discussion, sometimes in office, some business, they were discussion some important things. Don't keep talking all the time. Let others speak. When we discussion, there are more members. So only one person not talking continuously. Let we give time to other persons. They can speak. Show interest in what others say and listen carefully. Show interest what their opposite party's opinions. They listen carefully. Do share your own thoughts and ideas with others. Sometimes we share our own thoughts and ideas with others. If you do not understand something, ask for an explanation politely. If you once speak, we could not understand something, we asking for please give explanation. Use polite words and expressions when you want to interrupt someone. Sometimes we interrupt to others. Use polite words. Don't use harsh. And expression also pleasant. When you disagree with someone or when you seek explanation and give them. When you want to give a speech, when we give a speech, we have to plan some things. Plan your speech in advance. We have to prepare about speech for before 1 week or before 2-3 days before. We can plan our speech. Note the points and arrange them properly. We have to make some important points. Which topics we have to speak and which important points we can speak so we can take some important notes and arrange them properly. which sentence we can use first and which sentence we can use to last and which one is in between we have to speak. Rehearse the speech in your mind. Practice myself or ourselves we have take to more times rehearse and go ahead.